Hi everyone, I'm making this video today to give you some more information on the case brief in this class. So basically in this class, we are going to be reading a case and briefing it. If you're not familiar with what a case brief is, it is really just a summary of a particular court case. And you will be doing tons of case briefs over your legal career. Generally, paralegals are the first line of research. So if a client comes in with a topic, typically the attorney that you work with will explain the topic to you, explain the situation, and ask you to research. And what you'll do is you'll research, and you'll find some cases, and then you'll have to present those cases to the attorney or to the client. And the way to present the cases is to summarize them by writing a case brief. And case briefs always have the same format. You can think of it as FIRAC, and that stands for facts, issues, rule, analysis, and conclusion. And so basically you're going to go through every case that you read and summarize it in that format: facts, issues, rules, analysis, and conclusion. Consistency is very important in case briefs because both the attorneys and the clients will need to be able to find their information quickly, and if you are consistently drafting it in that way, then they can find the information they need quickly. So in this class, we're going to learn how to brief a case. Typically in your legal career, you would read a case and brief it all in probably one day, and you would just submit it. But in this class, we're going to get a foundation in how to brief a case. So we are going to take it section by section. So every couple of weeks, your assignment will be to draft one particular section of the case brief. Okay, and so I will post a video each week explaining how to draft each section, and there's also a video when you see the assignment, there's a video built into Blackboard as well. And throughout the week, I will give you tips on how to draft the case, each section of the case brief. So for now, the most important thing to do is to read the case, and it's in your instructions to the case brief, and the case is the King case. So you just want to read the whole case, get an idea of it, and then we'll use this case to draft each section week by week. There's also under the week one assignments, there are case brief samples, and those are very important because they are the best way for you to understand what cases look like, what case briefs look like. So you'll see 4 documents. It's 2 cases and 2 briefs. So it gives you an idea of here's what a case looks like and here's what it looks like when you brief it. And I think those are very useful, especially a lot of times students tell me they get stuck on like what it's supposed to look like, or like what, they can't get the picture of how long it should be. Those samples are incredibly useful. So please, please, please look at them and get a feel for what a brief looks like. But in this class, we'll take it week by week, step by step. You won't feel overwhelmed. You'll be ready for the particular section when we get to it. But I do encourage you at this point to please read the case, the King case, and take a look at those samples. If you have any questions, please reach out. Thanks.